Alrighty, so we're going to start doing a bit of a weekly interview with our successful members, and today we have Henry. Henry's in the house. He joined True Trader a couple of months ago, if I remember correctly, and he's already seen the results. He's passing FTMO challenges. He's doing it all. So we're going to dig into his story, find out what he's done to find success, and just learn more about him. So Henry, thanks for jumping on, mate.
Thank you, Max. Thank you, Max. Eagles. Shout out to you. Shout out to KD. Shout out to Jamal. And shout out to all the TTFX mentors. So,
Nah, mate.
I'm so happy. I'm
Yeah,
so
yeah,
glad
pleasure.
to be in the Forex market, learning from Jamal. 3 years ago, I started trading as an ICT trader, and from then since now, it's been crazy. It's
Yeah.
been so crazy. It's
You were
been so
doing
crazy.
ICT for a bit, doing ICT for a while, weren't
Yeah,
you?
I was doing ICT for 3 years. I did it for 3 years and it didn't show no value. The consistency wasn't there. Okay, the consistency wasn't there. But what I found in the true trader is consistency and investment over time that you don't have to stress about your next trade. Some people stress about their next trade. They hop in and hop out, hop in and hop out, and take series of losses. But what I found in the true trader was consistency, diversifying your portfolio to mitigate risk. I saw something I never seen before.
Yeah,
You
it's
get, I saw something, I saw
yeah, it's the
something
way
I
we
never
trade.
seen
It's
before.
it's it's it's
Yeah,
so hands off and stress free. It's such a
yeah, so stress free, man. Like it's so stress free and it's so different from what I used to do before. Because
yeah.
before by now I would have been in a trade or I would have blown an account or I would have lost a huge lot of money because I wanted to take the next trade. I could make profit now and lose it the next trade. So it's crazy. The way I
Yeah.
traded before now didn't show no consistency, but the way I trade now, I see consistency. I see consistency, and I even
So
passed an FTMO funded account 100K in just that 1 month of taking the True Trader mentorship, and
yeah,
it's
that's
super.
crazy because I know like I know for me personally, it took me a couple of years to get profitable, and I know a lot of other people will probably be in the same boat as me there, but I guess the way we've crafted True Trader is to fast track that learning experience. It doesn't have to be that whole sort of, Jamal's got almost 10 years experience. I'm not as
Yeah,
much as him. And then we have KD in there. He's obviously profitable. He's mentoring. We have Newell. We have Mayer. We've got all these great traders in there, which help these traders along. And then you're just a product of that. But it's not just True Trader, it's your attitude, your demeanor, you're enthusiastic, your willingness to learn, and you're so active in the community that you ask questions. And that's what we try to encourage. No question silly, doesn't matter. The silliest question you ask is the question you don't ask, I guess you could say, because then you don't know the answer. So when you got into trading, were you trading?
yeah.
Did you buy a mentorship from another trader, or were you just going online trying to learn yourself?
I have never gotten mentorship from any trader, but I have learned from so many people out there. I have learned from other sources out there, ICT sources. I have
Yep.
learned from SMC. I have learned order flow. I have learned gap trading, just trading the gap, wait for a daily gap and try to fill in that gap and exit the market. I've tried so many things. I've tried trading on only news releases. I've tried gambling on news releases and predicting directions. I've tried so many things and I haven't paid nobody mentorship because I had to put in the time, the extra time. That's why it took all these 3 years. And after these 3 years, after all doing all that stuff, it wasn't worth it.
Yeah.
Or maybe it was worth it because now I trade like the true trader and I know that this wasn't it, you know? You get what I'm
So
saying? Like
how old are you? How old are you, Henry?
how old am I? I'm
Yeah.
24. Yeah, I'm
24.
24.
Man, I'm 30. I wish I was profitable at 24 because few extra years of, yeah. So you got your whole life ahead of you. You've just learnt this skill now. You've got it, a skill
Yeah,
that
I've got
no
some
no one
good news.
no
I've
one
got
can take no one can take that away from you. So it's
no
amazing. And
nobody.
so
It's so amazing.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So
It's so
what do you
amazing. It's so
find?
amazing.
So did you? So you bought the mentorship, or
So
JT was?
it was crazy. It was crazy. I never expected it, right? And before the mentorship, yeah, I got a free mentorship, and
Yep.
it didn't just come for free, but because I came into JT's space, he hosted on X app.
Yep.
So I was saying things. I was just putting out my experience out there. I was putting out my experience from the past 3 years. I was letting everybody know that trading was so hard for me. I was letting JT know that this shit has been so hard for me, and I don't have it figured out. So he was like,
Yeah.
"Bro, I'm gonna put you on the mentorship. I'm gonna get you a free mentorship so you can." I'm like, "Okay."
How good's that?
But
So
before then, I have seen what these people do. I have seen these people catch 30,000 pips with
yeah.
small lot sizes. I'm like,
Yep.
nobody, I've never seen anybody do this in my entire trading career. I've never seen anybody trading a small lot size to make such a huge amount of money. And I didn't go for the mentorship because of the money, but I went for it because of the risk management. Because not everybody has such big leverage to leveraging 10 lot size in a trade. You get
Yeah. Well,
so
it's it's
I saw
it's
something legendary. I saw something that can mitigate risk and that you don't have to overexpose your capital.
yeah,
So
exactly.
I
It's
saw that.
the
I saw, yeah,
Yeah, I think it's like I went down that path as well where you're over leveraging your account and your stop
yeah,
loss might be 10, 20 pips away. It's a very tough way to make a living. Like yes, you can make some quick money, but it's not sustainable over the long run. And the
never.
best way the best thing about the way we trade at True Trader is it's very difficult to blow an account. The very
Very
difficult.
difficult.
You'd have to go the opposite way to
I
what
tell
we do.
everybody.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
some people come on my Twitter DMs and they're like, bro, how do you don't use stop loss? And I'm like, when True Trader mentors you, you don't need to use stop loss. You
yeah,
don't
well
need
it
to worry
depends.
about your trade getting stopped out because it's so huge that price will never get there.
Yeah, you just get a
And
better entry.
the leverage you're using is so small that when it gives you a very huge return of investment, you're going to be making a whole lot of money. So you're mitigating risks and at the same time making a good ROI on your investment. So that's something everyone should try to get into their brains, know how to do that because that's skill. You know,
So,
you can't get it from
all right.
anywhere.
No, no, no. So now that I guess you find consistency, you're profitable,
Yeah,
you got confidence in your ability, you've got proven results
yeah.
to show. What's your long plan? What's your long term plan with trading? Do you want to
My
get prop
long-term
firm
plan, I see
capital? Do you
myself.
want to scale up your personal account? How do you want to run
Nah,
this?
scalp. I've been through that. My long-term plan is seeing myself as a hedge fund manager.
Yeah,
JT
nice.
said he don't only build traders, he builds hedge fund managers. So that's how I see myself in the coming future. See myself in a suit, in a firm, in a big space, calling trades, investing, managing funds for people.
Yeah,
I've done that in the past and it didn't go well because I didn't know how to really do it like I know how to do it now. So in the future, I see
yeah,
myself managing people's funds and trying to make them money and at the same time get commissions, trade my personal account, trade some prop firms, create
yeah.
some generational wealth.
100%. Well,
Yeah.
the possibilities are endless in this industry. That's the best thing about it. And I've said this before, and I'm going to say it again. There's no retirement age for trading. so you don't need to worry about your pension. Because even when you're 80, you can still pop on a trade, and by the time you get to that
Yeah.
age, you can't be that big. You won't need to worry about it. So the
I'll
possibilities are
be
endless.
trading. I'll be trading till I get to 100 years. You know what I'm saying?
Mate, well the way the average lifespans are expanding with all the new sorry, what am I trying to say here? All the new developments in the modern world, I guess we can last a lot longer these days than the average lifespan used to be back in the day. It used to be 60, 70. Nowadays we're living a long time, so learning a skill like trading will pay you well for a long time yet. So what's so
Said.
do you have any things you think that we can improve on at True Trader? And what do you recommend people who are going to look into joining the Discord, jumping on, getting to where you're getting? What advice do you have for those people?
Advice I have for people who looking to join the Discord and people who don't certainly have the ability that don't have the cash to, pay for mentorship and everything. I wouldn't say you should leave the mentorship, but you should, have a goal towards getting this mentorship. Yeah, because it's something that's gonna change your life. Even if I didn't have to pay for it, I'm certainly I certainly would have paid for it
Yeah,
if I had the funds to, So I advise people to, get engaged with the TTFS community. Even if you can't pay the mentorship, you can also get the knowledge from following people,
yeah,
from engaging. Because
yeah, correct.
before I took the mentorship, I was trading like the True Traders community. Because I was just, just figure it out, see how they do it, and I did it, and I was doing those stuff, taking trades from monthly highs and monthly lows, and catching some big pips before getting the mentorship. So what I got in the mentorship was the risk management, how to diversify your portfolio, the fundamental analysis and the technical analysis. Yeah, so that's something you should get. And even if
Yeah,
you can't get the mentorship now, you can always stick around and you're gonna learn something. I have a few friends who stick around and they're doing it without joining the mentorship. But it depends on how smart you are to, because some people are very slow. They are very slow learners, and some people can just learn something from what they see, just like me. I saw where they buy those lows and where they sell those highs. I'm like, I go and
yeah,
backtest it on my chart and I see what they do there and I try to replicate the stuff. But I don't
yeah,
really know it all until I got the mentorship. So, if you don't get the mentorship now, you can stick around and learn some more, and then you finally get to know something. With
yeah. Well,
time, I
it's
advise you to get the mentorship.
yeah, and for those that are interested, there is that free version of the Discord. So there is you don't have to pay for it if you can't. It's
Yeah,
fine.
you
There
don't
is
have
a
to pay
free
for it.
version
Just
where
stick around.
you still can speak to traders like Henry, all the other members that I am going to get on this interview and
Feel
interview them
free.
as well because
I'll give
there's a
you any advice.
diverse range of people in the Discord. All
Yeah,
walks of life, all different countries, male, female, brown hair, blue hair, doesn't matter. There is people in there from everywhere. So I'm going to get them on here because we have so many interesting stories to tell and so many great success stories from people like Henry. Um, and look, Henry, I won't hold you too much longer, mate. But I've loved seeing you come up. You're a great man. Love all your support. And look, we're gonna link Henry's socials under the description of this video. So if you want to get around him, see what he's doing, jump on there, ask him a question, whatever it is. He's there to help you, and he's a great member of our community. And we're grateful to have you there, mate. And wish you all the best. And look forward to seeing you come up over the next few years.
shout out to all the
Appreciate you,
members of
brother.
the True Traders.
Yeah, shout out
Shout
to the
out.
members of True Traders. All right, we'll see you on the next one. We're going to upload these pretty regularly, so subscribe to the channel, and we'll be giving you plenty more free alpha, plenty more. So see you on there.